Industrial thermometers are vital across industries for efficient, safe operations. There are several types. One liquid in glass, used for low to moderate temperatures, commonly in labs and refrigeration. Two bimetallic strip, durable, used in HVAC and industrial equipment. Three thermocouples, ideal for high temperatures in metal processing and power plants. Four RTDs, accurate, used in pharmaceuticals and food processing. Five infrared, non contact thermometers, used for moving objects or hazardous surfaces. Six gas expansion, high temperature applications like steel manufacturing. Seven thermistors, precise control for medical and electronics cooling systems. Industrial thermometers play a crucial role in maintaining safe and efficient operations across industries. From high precision RTDs, used in pharmaceutical manufacturing, to the robust thermocouples found in furnaces, each type has its unique advantages and is tailored to specific applications. Understanding the principles of operation and the conditions where each thermometer type excels can help in selecting the right tool for the job.